Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Northern Home Garage. Today we're going to be doing a little bit more electrical, probably a quick little video. I'm just heading over to a friend's house who lives just a few doors down, and he's installing a gas furnace at his place currently, and he needs a little bit of help with the electrical. So we're going to pack up some tools and we're going to head over there. We're going to be taking my daughter's Jeep Patriot, high altitude. She has my truck, so I get to take hers. Let's jump in and go. Right, here we are at my buddy's place. He's gonna have to get up in the attic, not me. I'm not doing that. Yeah, he can get up there with all that itchy stuff. Well, he just realized he's got wire up there. All right, so here's the plan, guys. So here is what we are wiring. We've got a gas furnace here. So we have a switch that we need to wire. It's going up there, right into the unit there. So the plan is, he currently doesn't have power on that cable. That cable goes up in the ceiling and comes out to that plug right there. So what he needs to do up in the attic, oh yes, and did I mention that box has no power? So what he needs to do up in the attic, he needs to take power from, where is it? Right there. He's gonna take power from that guy. He's gonna run a cable across the roof over to that guy, and then we're going to run a cable from there over to that guy and terminate our fittings. I'm just glad I'm not up there. Here we are up in the attic, nicely insulated. He's digging over there. Now our other plug is over here somewhere. I know I said I wouldn't get in the attic, but I lied. All right, there's our plug there. So we're gonna have to take power from this guy here, which means I'm gonna go down below, shut off the breaker, and open the faceplate. And let's walk over to his panel. Nice, neat job. Very nice. All right, what do we got here? Our breakers here, you notice they're doubled up. Those are really great. Lights on, lights off. All right, that just killed the light upstairs for him up in the attic, and he just yelled, but need to disconnect that eventually. All right, so we got the plug plate off, pulled the plug out, and we're just waiting for him to finish up there, doing what he's got to do. And we'll shut the power off, run a wire through here, get the wire in there, and hook it up. Okay guys, well my buddy's up there. What we're gonna do is we're gonna continue with this switch here, and we're gonna take it apart right now. Pretty easy. So here we got our wires. So this is going to be the same as the circuit we did over at my place. The power feed is actually going to be up in the unit itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to mar the white with the black up in the unit, and the white wire is going to be our power feed, and then the black wire is going to be our load side. So let's get these stripped. Connect our ground to the box. All right, we got that plug installed. Ran a wire from over there through the attic into there, and now it feeds over here. So we're just terminating these guys up here. Let's go up there and take a look. All right, this should be pretty simple as well. This is going down to the switch. So if you remember, we used the white of the switch is going to go to the black of the main power, and the opposite side is going to be the load side that goes to the furnace. All right, I finally got him to do something. So he's going to take credit for the whole job by just putting the last switch panel on. He's doing a really good job. Make sure the screws are straight. Yeah, so we got that guy up there all done. The wires come in, go up. All good. We have power when you turn the switch on there, so we're all good. We turn the power back on. That plug's all done. And this plug is all done. Right there. And that's the cat.
Oh yeah, you're so pretty.
You're so pretty. Yeah. Hey, I hope that helps a little bit. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll see if I can answer them, or maybe send you off to some cool links that show those circuits. So for now, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned a little something. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button to keep up with all the videos that I'm doing. And thanks for watching, guys.